Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. Have you ever tried to grip a tennis ball and notice its coarseness? Have you ever considered the manufacturing and quality behind it? Whether these questions have ever crossed your mind or not, today you will find it fascinating to discover the story behind this popular sports equipment. The story is of a young business owner who turns his interest in tennis into a well-established business.
थोड़ा सा मेरा इंटरेस्ट था स्पोर्ट्स लाइन में, तो इसलिए खिंचता हुआ मैं स्पोर्ट्स लाइन में आ गया हूँ। और अभी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह तकरीबन 5 साल हो गए हैं मुझे अपना काम स्टार्ट किए हुए, और मैं बॉल बना रहा हूँ और तकरीबन हर तरह का बॉल बना रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है, जो कि तकरीबन पूरे सियालकोट में भी कोई भी नहीं बना रहा, सारी क्वालिटीज़ जो बॉल की एक ही फैक्ट्री में।
Sialkot, Pakistan is home to this ball manufacturing facility. It's the place where more youth participate in the production of tennis balls. Coming up, we will move into the complicated process of tennis ball manufacturing.
अभी जो बॉल की प्रोसेसिंग है, जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, उसमें हम थाईलैंड की रबड़, स्मोक रबड़, ठीक है, सैलोन रबड़ है, 2 रबड़ यूज़ होती हैं। तो टोटली उसका जो प्रोसेस यही होता है, जो केमिकल्स हैं वो भी टोटली इंपोर्टेड हैं, जो जर्मन से, कुछ चाइना से, कुछ थाईलैंड से, इस तरह इंपोर्ट किए जाते हैं।
Workers manually take the rubber blocks and feed crusher and, consequently, add sulfur and accelerators to create a dough-like substance. The precision sheets cut the rubber into uniform long rectangles with custom molds so that the final size meets the exact specifications needed for the tennis ball. In the following steps, workers carefully cut the rectangular die-cut pieces into squares using scissors. Now, these square rubber pieces are then carefully inserted into the molds of high-accuracy pressing machines. Usually through hydraulic presses, to exert considerable force to compress and shape the rubber squares. Molded rubber cores are shaped within the molds and hardened to remove the excess material. However, a key step before assembly is to cut the edges using a cutting edge machine, where the molded rubber cores are accurately trimmed. This provides a uniform surface and makes joining the components much simpler.
और मशीनरी टोटली जो है मेरी वो पाकिस्तानी मेड है, और मैं इधर से बनवाई लोकली, सियालकोट से बन जाती हैं, गुजरावाला से, और काफ़ी जो है ना वो रिलायबल हैं, वैसे तकरीबन मिलती जुलती हैं चाइना की जो मशीनरी के मुकाबले में।
The sides of the tennis ball are joined with a special rubber-based elastic for a strong bond. This is immediately followed by a curing period to solidify the connection, which makes it more durable for a good performance on the court. The glued tennis balls go through curing after the heating process to set off the adhesive and strengthen their bond. The heating process can be fundamental in influencing key characteristics like shape, ball bounce, touch, and overall performance. After gluing and the initial heating, the tennis balls are coated with a high-quality felt. This felt is important as it provides the ball with the correct texture, durability, and playability, giving it the required optimal grip. A uniform white stripe is added. It assists players in determining the spin and trajectory of the ball, increasing visibility during play. Furthermore, it can also be a branding element for easy recognition. Using high-quality felt is of great importance for consistent ball behavior, better grip, enough bounce, and performance across different playing surfaces. It is also associated with the overall feel of the ball. One of the last stages of the process is curing any adhesives used during the fabric application for a stronger and more secure lasting bond. In the end, the tennis balls are furnished, wherein their surface is imparted the final touch. Like polishing to give a good high-quality surface finish. The making of the ball follows the set of high-quality standards throughout the process of furnishing. Tennis balls are then marked with their labels by dyeing during manufacturing. It gives them unique identity recognition and consistency. The tennis ball batch is ready and is carefully packaged for distribution. It can be placed in containers or packaging materials suitable for transport and retail. Tennis, as a global sport, has a steady demand for balls, which creates a promising opportunity for small businesses to thrive in demand and supply. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time!